Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Marian, 36 years old. I live in Sual, Pangasinan. I am a married, blessed with 2 children, a 16 years old daughter, and a 14 years old son. I am a high school graduate. I am a Catholic. I am a cheerful and simple lady, caring, very patient, especially for the kids. I have 4 years experience here in the Philippines. I serve 2 adults and 1 kid, 3 years old. My main duties are cleaning, laundry, ironing clothes, can cook Filipino dishes, and willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and follow the recipes, grocery, shopping, and taking care of children, childcare duties, bath, feed, change clothes, help with medicine, play the kid and learning, help with homework, prepare healthy meals like vegetable, fruits, meats, and fish, and keep areas clean. Ma'am, sir, if you hire me, I promise to be a hardworking, responsible, honest, a fast learner, and trustworthy. I follow instruction and I am ready to learn more. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir. Thank you for this opportunity.